The sun beat down on the cracked earth of the Zaporizhzhia front, a familiar, oppressive heat. But something was profoundly different today, on this late July morning in 2025. Where a platoon of Ukrainian soldiers once held the line, a new kind of sentry now stood guard. Small, six-legged machines, resembling metallic insects, patrolled the trenches with an unnerving, silent efficiency. They were not remotely piloted from some distant bunker. They were thinking for themselves. Their optical sensors swiveled, scanning the horizon for movement, heat signatures, and the telltale glint of an enemy scope. This was not science fiction. This was the new reality of war, a silent, automated vanguard replacing flesh and blood. Suddenly, the lead drone froze. Its internal processors, running complex algorithms, had identified a threat. It wasn't a soldier or a tank, but another machine, an enemy reconnaissance drone buzzing low over the no-man's land. Without a human command, without a moment's hesitation, the ground drone communicated with its airborne counterparts. A swarm of smaller kamikaze quadcopters lifted from concealed positions, rising like a cloud of angry hornets. Across the globe, modern warfare relies on a variety of advanced drone jets. These include the MQ-9 Reaper, known for its long endurance and precision strikes, the Bayraktar TB2, widely used for surveillance and attack missions, the Wing Lung series from China, offering multi-role capabilities, the Israeli Heron and Hermes drones, famous for intelligence gathering, and Russia's Orion drone, designed for reconnaissance and combat. Each of these drone jets plays a crucial role in shaping the future of aerial warfare. They ascended in a coordinated pattern, a dance of death choreographed by artificial intelligence, their mission singular and absolute: intercept and destroy. The human soldiers who once risked their lives for this very task were miles away, watching the events unfold on a screen, feeling a strange mix of relief and obsolescence. The aerial clash was over in seconds. The enemy drone was swarmed, its propellers shattered, its camera feed cut to black as it spiraled into the dirt. The victorious swarm returned to its perch, ready for the next command its collective mind would generate. This was not just a simple patrol or a pre-programmed attack. This was a dynamic, real-time decision made by a machine on the battlefield. It was a chilling demonstration of autonomy, a moment where the burden of choice, the split-second calculation of risk and reward, was lifted from human shoulders and placed onto silicon chips. The battlefield had found its new apex predator, and it was forged not in the crucible of evolution, but in the sterile clean rooms of a technology lab. This scene, once the domain of Hollywood blockbusters, is now playing out in conflicts across the globe. The age of the human soldier, the warrior who has defined conflict for millennia, is drawing to a close. In its place rises the Ghost Brigade, an army of autonomous systems that do not bleed, do not fear, and do not question their orders. They are the perfect soldiers, tireless and expendable, capable of processing information faster than any human mind. Their arrival marks the single greatest revolution in warfare since the invention of the atomic bomb. A shift that is not just changing the tools of war, but the very soul of what it means to fight. The shocking truth is no longer a future possibility. It is a present and rapidly escalating reality.